Error SC101-01. Lampscan error. The white level peak does not reach the specified threshold when scanning the white plate. This error only occurs when using the automatic document feeder ADF. When a Ricoh photocopier encounters this error, the printing and scanning functions using the main glass are not affected. Now, I'll show you a test to demonstrate how this error occurs. When you copy using the main glass, the machine works normally. Similarly, the scanning function also works just fine. But if you use the automatic document feeder ADF, the SC101-01 error will occur. The cause is that the user removed the glass for cleaning and reinstalled it incorrectly. Please note, on this small piece of glass, there is a black sticker. If you reinstall the glass incorrectly, it will trigger the SC101-01 error. To remove this small piece of glass, you need to unscrew these 3 screws. The black patch blocks the scanner light from reflecting directly when copying or scanning the original document. From time to time, you should clean the optical system thoroughly to ensure clear and beautiful copies and scans. Please note, this is the correct position to install this glass.
Xin ta quên nha.
So, we have successfully fixed the SC101-01 error on the Ricoh Photocopier. Thank you all for watching the video. Please support me by subscribing to the channel, liking, and sharing the video so that the channel can continue to provide more great and high quality content for you.